Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Aveda Sun Care Protective Hair Veil is probably one of the most essential products for anyone looking to maintain healthy, vibrant hair throughout the sunny seasons, offering a crucial shield against the damaging effects of UV rays and environmental stressors that can leave your locks dry, brittle, and faded. Number 5. Sun Bum Revitalizing 3-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner. Tired of tangled, frizzy hair? Discover the ultimate solution for effortless styling and vibrant locks. This conditioner is your secret weapon for beautiful hair every day. Say goodbye to knots and snags. Our powerful formula gently detangles your hair, making brushing a breeze. Experience a new level of smoothness and manageability. Keep your hair vibrant and protected. This conditioner is safe for color-treated hair and shields it from harmful UV rays. Maintain your color's brilliance while keeping your hair healthy. Nourish your hair with the best of nature. Enriched with coconut oil and banana, it deeply moisturizes and revitalizes. Enjoy the tropical scent and the benefits of these natural ingredients. Simplify your hair care routine. This 3-in-1 conditioner offers detangling, frizz control, and UV protection in one easy step. Achieve salon-worthy results with minimal effort. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this conditioner is designed for you. It provides the perfect balance of moisture and strength. Get ready to fall in love with your hair again. What we like. This one offers a blend of coconut oil and banana for nourishment. It also provides UV protection and is color-friendly. If you're looking for everyday hydration and protection, especially if you have color-treated hair, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great hair protectant spray that leaves hair soft and manageable. It protects hair from sun damage and keeps it from getting dry and brittle. The spray is lightweight and doesn't weigh hair down. Number 4. Malibu Sea Swimmers Wellness Shampoo and Conditioner Plus Hair Mask Kit. Dive into summer with the ultimate hair care solution. This kit is designed to protect and revitalize your hair, keeping it healthy and vibrant all season long. Specifically formulated for swimmers, this set tackles the harsh effects of pool chlorine and copper. It works to clarify, moisturize, and restore shine to your hair. Whether you're an adult or a child, this kit provides essential hair care. Enjoy worry-free swimming knowing your hair is protected and nourished. This comprehensive kit includes a clarifying shampoo, a moisturizing conditioner, and a restorative hair mask. Together, they ensure your hair remains soft, manageable, and full of life. Say goodbye to dull, damaged hair. Our unique formula actively works to bring back your hair's natural luster and strength, making it look and feel its best. Protect your investment in healthy hair this summer. This kit is your go-to for maintaining beautiful, resilient hair, no matter how often you swim. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to combat the harsh effects of pool chemicals like chlorine and copper. It clarifies, moisturizes, and restores shine. If you or your kids swim regularly and are concerned about pool damage, this is the essential kit for you. What people say. It is a lightweight spray that protects hair from the sun. It helps to keep hair from drying out and becoming brittle. It also helps to prevent color fade from sun exposure. Number 3. Malibu Sea Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant. Protect your hair from daily stressors and environmental damage. This formula provides essential moisture and defense, keeping your locks healthy and vibrant. After swimming, your hair needs extra care. This spray helps detangle and shield your strands from the harsh effects of pool water, preventing color fade. Keep your hair color looking fresh and bright. Its UV protection helps prevent fading, ensuring your vibrant hues last longer, even in the sun. Suitable for both adults and children, this detangler is gentle yet effective. It makes hair manageable and soft for the whole family. Experience lasting hydration and heat protection with this leave-in treatment. It works throughout the day to keep your hair moisturized and shielded. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This spray makes combing through your hair a breeze, leaving it smooth and easy to manage. What we like. This leave-in conditioner is perfect for daily use and especially after swimming. It helps prevent color fading and acts as a great detangler. If you need a versatile spray to protect your hair from daily wear and tear, as well as swim-related damage, consider this option. What people say. This is a great hair protector that keeps my hair from getting dry and damaged from the sun. It also helps to detangle my hair and makes it feel soft and manageable. I love that it has a UV filter that protects my hair from sun damage. Number 2. Aveda Brilliant Damage Control Detangling Spray. Tired of knots and tangles? This spray makes brushing a breeze, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Protect your strands from damaging heat. It creates a barrier against hot tools, preventing breakage. Say goodbye to split ends and breakage. This formula helps to significantly reduce damage, keeping your hair strong. Experience the delightful aroma of jasmine, rose, and clove. It's a sensory treat for your hair. Enjoy this ample 8.5 fluid ounce bottle. It provides long-lasting protection and detangling benefits. Achieve brilliant shine and superior control with every use. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like. This spray focuses on reducing damage and breakage while offering heat protection. It also features a lovely aroma of jasmine, rose, and clove. If you frequently use heat styling tools or are dealing with damaged hair, this will help protect and improve its condition. What people say. This product is great for protecting hair from the sun. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable, even after being in the sun all day. I love that it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it greasy. Number 1. Keranique Scalp Therapy Massager. Discover the Keranique Scalp Therapy Massager, designed to invigorate your scalp. It's perfect for use on both dry and wet hair, making it a versatile addition to your hair care routine. This innovative tool gently stimulates your scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Experience a revitalizing massage that nourishes your roots and enhances your hair's natural vitality. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuvering across your scalp. Enjoy a soothing massage that effectively works to improve scalp health without any harshness. Whether your hair is dry or wet, this massager is your ideal companion. It's crafted to provide a beneficial scalp treatment regardless of your hair's condition. Incorporate this essential tool into your daily regimen for visibly healthier and fuller-looking hair. It's time to give your scalp the attention it deserves for optimal hair growth. What we like. This massager is designed to stimulate your scalp, focusing on hair growth. It can be used on both dry and wet hair. If you are looking for a tool to enhance your hair growth routine and improve scalp health, this manual massager is a good addition. What people say. This product is great for protecting hair from sun damage. It leaves hair soft and manageable, even after swimming. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh hair down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.